Exploring your passions, the power of I'm interested in. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase that's simple yet profoundly impactful in daily conversations. I'm interested in. Understanding and correctly using this phrase can open doors to expressing your passions, hobbies, and even your professional interests more effectively. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and discover how to articulate our interests with confidence and clarity. The phrase, I'm interested in, is a way to express curiosity or a liking for something. It's versatile, allowing you to discuss a wide range of topics, from personal hobbies to academic subjects, and even people who capture your attention. When you say you're interested in something, you're telling the listener that you enjoy it and are eager to learn more or engage with it further. This can be a great conversation starter or a way to connect with others who have similar interests. Using I'm interested in is straightforward. Follow it with the noun or activity you're passionate about. Here are some examples. I'm interested in art. This can lead to discussions about favorite artists, styles, or recent exhibitions. I'm interested in learning new languages. Perfect for sharing language learning experiences or finding a study buddy. I'm interested in volunteering, a great way to connect over shared values and community service. Remember, you can also ask others about their interests by flipping the phrase, "What are you interested in?" This invites them to share their passions with you, fostering deeper conversations. To enrich your conversations, it's useful to know some variations and synonyms of I'm interested in. I have a passion for indicates a strong, possibly lifelong interest. I'm keen on suggests enthusiasm and eagerness. I'm fascinated by implies a deep curiosity and desire to explore further. Experiment with these alternatives to add variety to your speech and writing, making your communication even more engaging. Now that you know how to use I'm interested in and its variations, try applying them in real-life situations. 1. Networking events. Share your professional interests to connect with like-minded individuals. 2. Social gatherings. Discuss hobbies and personal passions to bond with new friends. 3. Online forums. Join communities based on shared interests, using the phrase to introduce yourself and your hobbies. We hope this exploration of I'm interested in has inspired you to share your interests more openly and discover new facets of the English language. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expressing who you are and connecting with others. Keep experimenting with new phrases, stay curious, and enjoy the journey of language learning. Until next time, keep expressing your interests and exploring the vast world of English communication.